Namaskar. Physiotherapy in India is gaining popularity and momentum. But still, there are fields of work where the right importance of physical therapy has not been understood well. It has not reached people in the best way possible. We are seeing pain management and physical therapy are going well together for probably almost 2 decades, or to put it in a better way, at least very popularly in the last 1 decade. Post surgical physical therapy and rehab, along with the advancement in sports in India and along with the uh, kind of sport culture that we are slowly beginning to develop, sports physiotherapy is gaining its popularity as well. Uh, but there are fields of work where physical therapy still has a long way to go. One of them is in the field of obstetrics and gynecology. During pregnancy, pre pregnancy, post pregnancy, in all possible stages, physical therapy can be very helpful. Conditions where minor pains may develop during pregnancy, physical therapy can be very helpful. Pelvic floor or pelvic health, pelvic musculature strength can be managed well with physical therapy. One of the most common known problems, urinary incontinence, can be managed well with the help of physical therapy. Knowing that physical therapy can work in these fields of work is not just enough. In fact, people should understand and know that there are specialized physios who work in this field, who can take care of uh, the right approach pre and postpartum, who can help avoiding or treating incontinence, who can reduce or manage back pain during pregnancy. There are specific exercises which can be very safe during most course of the pregnancy, and not only that, it avoids future complications and problems which are seen because of not regaining the muscle strength, not regaining the right kind of mobility, which can be handled very well with PTs specialized in this field of work. There is a little doubt among patients. One, because of our cultural understanding, which is there everywhere in every country depending on what they believe in. Then there is a doubt that exercising or wrong exercising can cause complications. Wrong, of course, causes issues, but when you're going to a specialized physio, it is a very different scenario. Also, it is not an individual's work alone, it mostly works as a teamwork. When lifestyles have changed naturally, the thoughts or the process of how pregnancy and OBG conditions are handled also has to change. Traditional cultural beliefs and thoughts are in one place, which have to be respected, but at the same time, practical urban scenario is getting different. We have to respect that fact as well.